Okay, folks, I'm back inside. The summer's finished. It's way too rainy outside. I'm just busy editing a video that I made a few days ago. So I'm going to add this to the video that I'm about to edit for YouTube tonight. And it's just an update. After this video, I will try. I've got 1 week left of work, but then I go on holiday. But in the week, I'll try to add more videos if I can. But after that, you'll probably get some videos when I'm on holiday. Not just about sneezing, but just about everything. And if you don't like it, please say in the comments. And, well, just stay positive. Love you all. Bye. Okay. I just started sneezing. But I had to go back into the living room to get my phone, because I didn't have my phone with me. So I missed about, I don't know, about 10 seconds or something. So, well, this is my first video from inside the house now, because outside, we just can't live out there no more. There's just too much rain. And we've packed the pavilion away and put the terrace heater away, and emptied all the plant pots and everything for the winter. And I don't know if you watched my video from last time about best friends golden retrievers. You can see the whole garden just empty now, and the dogs can run around. But within a few weeks, or maybe in a week, that area will be just covered in leaves. So having all the garden furniture and the tent cleaned up and everything, or the pavilion cleaned up, it won't make it a lot easier for me to clean all the leaves up. So this is my first video inside, and maybe going to get a lot more videos now because I'm sitting inside again. I hope not, because I've got an air cleaner. Well, I've just been sitting inside and I started sneezing, so maybe the air cleaner's not working. Anyway, just we've got a long weekend. We don't have to go back to work till Wednesday, and then we have 1 week of work, and then we have vacation. We're not going very far. We're just going about 20 minutes away, but we're going to a national park. In Dutch it's called a plagenhut. That means it's a turf hut. It's a house, like, how can I explain? It's like so, and it's made of turf. The roof is just turf, and it's really cozy. There's an open earth fire, and there is internet. Oh. But I'll just use my hotspot so we can watch TV or something like that. I'll listen to radio. But anyway, if you're interested, go back and look under, I don't know, it's under, I think it's under travel or something, or it's under general. It's called the Plagenhut. But we're going back there again in a few weeks, but not just for a few days, but for a whole week. And we're going to celebrate my friend's birthday, my wife's birthday. Love you all. My sneezing is finished, have you noticed? Because I'm talking. Love you all. Bye.